What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this beautiful crochet installation. This is the braiding pattern that I used. I braided the front really small and then I joined them into some big cornrows going to the back, and then I did one braid going across in the very back, and I kind of just joined them together as I braided. That way I don't have any hair hanging. And then the last piece I crocheted it within the hair. And then I go ahead and I install. I only loop them once, but when I get to the front where I use smaller pieces, I actually loop them twice or sometimes 3 times, but for the most part I loop them twice.
I ever needed, then I couldn't see it and we faded away. They say what happens happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories, and even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feelings I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the times. Asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the time asking
Okay, so I'm just going ahead and filling in the back, and then I move on to the front. So you're gonna see that right about now. So the front, I use smaller pieces and I loop them twice. So I try to not put my hand in the way, but it's so hard to like keep my hand out of the way while I'm recording. I'll do better, guys, so bear with me, but I'm trying to show you guys how I did it. So I slow motioned right here so you could see. This is how I did it. So I went in and then I hooked it on again, and I went in again and then I pulled it out. So it's double looped because they're smaller pieces. I'm gonna repeat that same process right up here. Take it through, loop it in, close it, pull it through, and then loop it in again, and then pull it all the way through. So I go ahead and I continue doing that for the rest of the front of her hair. And then when I get to the middle, where I'm going to be doing the middle part, I go ahead and I do some invisible crochet braids, if that's what they call it. Knotless, yeah, sorry, I forgot I forgot what they call it, but I went ahead and I did some knotless crochet braids in the middle so that you don't see like the big knot, you just see like the hair. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you that in a few minutes.
I ever needed. Then I couldn't see it and we faded away. They say what happens happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feelings I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the times. Do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on. Asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the time asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the
Okay, so I'm about to do the knotless. So the knotless, instead of looping the entire thing in, you're only looping one side. Okay, so instead of looping both pieces, you're only looping one side. So the other side will just hang over, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you again how I do it. So I'm gonna put the crochet needle in, connect it, pull it through, and then take one side of the hair, not both sides, just one side of the hair, and loop it twice, and that's it.
love seems like a daydream. Even now I visit every single place we've been. All the time we spent together changed me. I stay high on the days before we said goodbye. I'm regretting these feels I feel for you. Asking why did we fall from love? I get high off the time. You were all the things I ever needed. Then I couldn't see it and we faded away. They say what happens happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feels I feel for you. I'm
after I'm done this, I'm pretty much done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.
Let's get high.